We'll guide you through how to find the clipboard on a Samsung phone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because on the clipboard, that's where different things you go and copy will be. So you can go and see them and you can easily go and paste them from there. Essentially, it's the history. Now, what I find really convenient here is because let's say you go and copy something and then you copy something else. Usually you'd go and lose that, but with the clipboard, you can still go and access it and paste it. So you can have multiple things copied at once, basically. So to go and get started with this, go and swipe up and you need to go and find the option for settings and tap there. In settings, you need to go and scroll down and go and find the option for general management and tap there. And then you want to go and find keyboard list and default. If you're struggling to find this, you can use the search in the top right. Then at the top, press default keyboard, make sure you've got Samsung keyboard selected, and then press the gear or cog icon to the right. Now you want to come down here and you want to go and find the option for keyboard toolbar. Make sure that's switched on like so. Now we can come out of here and you want to go and open up somewhere where you can go and use the keyboard and it'll be opened. That could be messages, a web browser, anywhere. So I'll go and open this up and then what I need to do is make sure the keyboard's open. So you can go and tap on the search bar, say. And then what you want to do is you want to go over to the right and you need to go and press the three dots. And then you'll go and see the different options here. So here we have the clipboard and what you want to do is go and tap and hold on it and you can go and add it to the bar here or you can just go and tap on it. So it depends how easy you want to be able to access it. I like it at the top here. Then all you need to do is go and tap on it and it'll go and open up and you found it. So then what you can do is you can go and tap on the different things you've gone and copied here and then we pasted. And what you can also do is if you want is we can go and copy more and it'll go and be added there. So let's go and say I then copy welcome. I'll press copy. We can then go and open up the clipboard and there it is.